In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an EVM wallet address in MetaMask. To get started, open MetaMask using either the browser extension or the mobile app, depending on where you want to use it. If you already have MetaMask installed, go ahead and unlock your wallet so you can access your account. This is the main place where you'll manage your EVM-compatible addresses and interact with supported blockchain networks. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet yet, choose the option to create a new wallet. MetaMask will guide you through the setup process step by step. Take your time here, because this is the foundation of your wallet and future access to your funds and assets. As you set up the wallet, you'll be asked to create a strong password. Make sure it's something secure and unique. After that, MetaMask will generate a secret recovery phrase. This part is extremely important. Write this phrase down and store it somewhere safe and private. Do not keep it in a place where other people can easily access it, and never share it with anyone. This phrase is the key to recovering your wallet, so protecting it is one of the most important parts of the entire process. Once setup is complete, open your account in MetaMask. You'll now see your default account, and this account includes your EVM wallet address. Typically, this address begins with 0x, which is how most EVM-compatible wallet addresses are formatted. This is the address you'll use to receive assets on supported EVM networks. To copy your EVM address, click on your account name or wallet address at the top of MetaMask. When you do that, MetaMask will automatically copy the address to your clipboard. The address will look something like a long string starting with 0x. Since wallet addresses are lengthy and easy to mistype, copying directly from MetaMask is the safest way to use it. One useful thing to know is that the same EVM address can usually be used across multiple EVM-compatible networks. That includes networks like Ethereum, Base, Arbitrum, Optimism, and BNB Smart Chain. This makes MetaMask convenient because you can often use the same address across different supported ecosystems. Before receiving any funds, always double-check the network being used. Make sure the sender is sending through a network supported by your MetaMask account, and confirm that the asset being sent is compatible with that network. This small check can help you avoid mistakes and make sure your funds arrive correctly. And that's how to create and find your EVM wallet address in MetaMask.